Debt isn't just a number, it's a thief. It steals your peace of mind, your freedom, and even your dreams. But here's the thing, no matter how deep the hole feels, right now there's a way out. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful steps to help you escape debt's grasp and finally take control of your financial future. Stay with me because step 5 might surprise you. First one, face the numbers. Know what you owe. First, you've got to face your debt head on. Think of it like cleaning out a messy closet. You can't fix what you don't see. Grab a notebook or use a simple spreadsheet and list every single debt. Include balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Example, Sarah, a 32-year-old teacher, thought her debt was under control until she realized she was losing $500 a month to interest alone. Once she faced the numbers, she knew exactly where to start. This step might feel overwhelming, but it's empowering. When you see the whole picture, you'll know exactly how to tackle it. Second one, slash unnecessary spending. Now that you know what you're up against, let's stop the financial leaks. Look at your monthly expenses. Are you paying for streaming services you don't use? Grabbing $5 lattes every morning? These small costs add up fast. Example, cutting out a $10 subscription and skipping 2 takeout meals a week could free up $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year you can put toward your debt. Think about it. What's one expense you could cut today? Drop it in the comments below. This isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing what matters most. Your financial freedom. Third one, the Snowball or Avalanche method. Okay, now you've got some extra cash. What's the smartest way to use it? This is where strategy comes in. The Snowball and Avalanche methods. Snowball method. Start with your smallest debt first. Paying it off quickly gives you a psychological boost. It's like checking off the first task on a to-do list. Avalanche method. Focus on your highest interest debt first. This saves you the most money in the long run. Both methods work, so pick the one that motivates you the most. The goal is progress, not perfection. Which method feels right for you? The Snowball or the Avalanche? Let me know in the comments. Fourth one, boost your income. The side hustle solution. Cutting costs is great, but let's take it up a notch. Imagine if you could add an extra $200, $500, or even $1,000 a month to your income. That's a game changer. For example, sell unused items on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Drive for Uber or deliver with DoorDash on weekends. Offer freelance services like graphic design, writing, or tutoring. Real life story, Jason, a graphic designer, earned $300 a month on Fiverr. Money he used to wipe out his credit card debt within a year. Side hustles don't just help you pay off debt faster, they build confidence and open doors to new opportunities. Fifth one, build an emergency fund. Yes, while in debt. This might surprise you, but one of the best ways to stay out of debt is to build a small emergency fund, even while paying off debt. Why? Because life happens. Without a safety net, one unexpected expense can send you spiraling back into debt. Start small. Saving just $500 to $1,000 can cover common emergencies and give you peace of mind. Think of your emergency fund as your shield. It protects your progress and keeps you moving forward. Now that you've got a plan, it's time to take action. Download our free debt repayment tracker in the description below. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. And let us know in the comments, what's the first step you're taking today? Cutting expenses, choosing a debt strategy, or starting a side hustle? Share your goals and inspire others. Remember, financial freedom isn't a dream. It's the result of small, consistent steps. Take your first step today, and your future self will thank you. Subscribe button.